The park of Bundek is the pride of Novi Zagreb. Its charming lakes and woods are always full of strollers. An embankment separates the park from the river Sava. Every year, the embankment meadow is a site of the International Fireworks Festival. It's organised by Pirotehnika Mirnovec, a famous Croatian fireworks team. For 3 days, citizens and tourists will be having fun here. Eating, drinking and making merry from morning till night. The stage welcomes many performers. But behind the festivities, some people are doing a serious job. Fireworks experts are preparing fiery evening entertainment. The competing teams come from Croatia, Finland and Portugal. In 3 days, a total of 10,000 rockets will be fired. The best things in life are free, as shown by the Bundek fireworks.